Greetings from the heartland of America, yet again. This is the Bowtie Soccer Guy, and I tell you what, I'm coming to you elated. I'm coming to you excited. I hope you're excited too. America wins Group A. We were throwing in the towel a week ago. People were up in arms calling for Klinsmann's head.
I wanted his head on a steak.
Am I wrong? Is he a crazy genius? His plan worked. I saw a stat that since 1930, that's the first time that the UN's men's national team had started the same starting 11 in 3 games in a row. So maybe he's crazy, maybe he's brilliant. I don't know. Help me out. Help me out. I'm trying to figure this thing out. But I will tell you this, I do know this. I'm pumped, I'm excited. We move on now to the quarterfinals, and that is wonderful. Now, of course, we won't start the same 11 because of Yedlin's 2 yellows. So give me your thoughts on that. Comment on what you think of that. Was it immature play? Was it just a bad situation? But the second one seemed like maybe you play a little bit more conservative after you get the first one. Also, what's up next for us? So we either play, I believe it's Brazil, Peru, or Ecuador. Which would be the best setup for us? What would be the best pairing for us to play next? And what do we do? Do we do the same thing? Do we change anything up? Comment on that. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it and let's see what we can do. This is super exciting. I believe it's next Thursday. Will be our next match. Let me know what you think. I cannot wait to see how far we go. Do we have a possibility of winning this whole thing? What do you think? What do you think? Also, props out to John Brooks, because that sliding tackle, I think it was the 11th minute of the match, for sure saved an assured goal that time. That was going in. I don't see how it wouldn't. Go ahead and leave a comment and subscribe, people.
Subscribe, because you know I'm watching you.
You don't want me to be mad. You wouldn't like me when I'm angry.